If you ever wonder where to retire or where to raise your kids, or you're looking for that perfect place that includes a water park, let me show you Avalon Park by Pulte Homes here in Ave Maria, Florida. What's up, guys? My name is Fabio.alvarez, your favorite real estate agent here in South Florida. Today we're gonna take a look at the Whitestone Model from Pulte Homes. Definitely one of the most beautiful homes over here. Beautiful pool with beautiful patio. So remember, if you guys have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out, subscribe, like, comment. Do not hesitate, okay, guys? So let's jump into this. Welcome to this beautiful home in Whitestone, Avalon Park by Pulte Homes. This beautiful 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bedrooms with 2 car garages. It has actually 2,494 square feet. This beautiful open concept home, as you can see, you can stroll through a wide fair into the open kitchen that connects to a casual dining and gathering areas. Downstairs, flex space serves as a den or guest suite. Upstairs finds a huge loft and 3 bedrooms, perfect for a big family or guests to visit. Escape away to your private first floor owner suite and enjoy this beautiful home. This awesome floor plan is one of the most beautiful homes in the Avalon Park floor plans, and it has a beautiful patio with a spectacular pool to enjoy with your friends and family. Enjoy your tour. Alright, guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like the community. Avalon Park is an awesome community to live in. Remember this for your kids and family. If you guys have more questions, do not hesitate to reach out, subscribe, like, hit the like button, guys, comment on this comment section down below. So please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll see you guys in the next video, okay?